Hello, welcome back to our channel. So we are continuing with our maths playlist series. So this is our lecture number 3. So let's start. Today's question is to print the factorial of a number. Okay. So for example, if you have given the number input as 0, so then output will be 1. If you have given the input as 4, then output will be 24, and if you have given the input as 5, then the output will be 120. For all those who haven't know what is the meaning of factorial, a factorial simply means a multiplication of number till n. For example, if you want to find the factorial of 5, so the factorial of 5 is the multiplication of a number till 5, like from 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 5, which is equals to 120. So we need to print 120. Okay, this is called the factorial of a number. So just pause the video and try it by yourself. What you have to do, you just need to make a function and pass the argument as the any number, and in return you need to print the factorial of it. So let's just there are total two ways to do this. So one is the recursive way. So one is the recursive way and one is the iterative way. Okay, so let's see how we gonna do it by the iterative way. So first we just need to call our function and print the output, and factorial fact equals to n. Okay, now here just we need to change our function name to fact. Now in this we will just initialize our result with equals to 1. Okay, initialize our result with res equals to 1. Then we will run the for loop till end I equals to 2. So I will tell you why we are starting from 2. So till equals to n, then I plus plus. Okay, then what we gonna do, we just gonna multiply the result and store it in the result, or we can say we can update the result by storing again and again. So here this, after the for loop completes, we gonna return the value of res. So for 0 and 1, the factorial is 1 only. So we can also put the condition over here, like for example, or we can also handle it over here. So let's just handle it over here. If n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, so directly return 1 as the answer. Okay, so here in this variable we will get our return value. Let's just print our return value. So factorial of the number is, So let's just print our number, which is factorial. Okay, let's just run our code. Enter the value. Let's just enter the value to 5. So look, it is running pretty much fine. Now let's just move on to our recursive solution, how to do it recursively. So a recursive solution, a function called stack is made. Okay, so in recursive solution we need two things. If you don't know how to print recursion, so we basically need two things. One is the body and other is the base condition. So the base condition will be if n equals to 0. Okay, then return 1, else, or you can say what we need to do recursively, like n into fact. Is it fact? Okay, the function name is fact n minus 1. So this is a recursive solution. Let's just run it. Let's just enter the value 5. So here we got our desired output. So let's just understand what we have done in this recursive solution. So in this recursive solution, a function called stack is made. Like when we enter the value 5, so it goes here 5. So then after a recursion takes place, like 5 into n minus 1, which is 4, then it will decrease again to 4 into 3. Then again the base condition is not matched, then again it will go decrease to 2, then 1, and then 0. Now here the base condition is matched, so we will return here 1. Okay, so 1 into 1, which is 2, 2 into 2. So in this we will get which is 2. Okay, so here we get 2. So now we will get 6, which is 3 into 2, which is 6. Okay, so here we will get 4 into 6, which is 24. Then here we will get 5 into 24, which is 120. So then it will come out of the loop and it will return this. So the time, let's just quickly look over the time complexity. So the time complexity for iterative solution is big O of n, and the space complexity is theta 1, a big O of 1, and for recursive it is big O of n, and the space complexity is more than the iterative, which is big O of n, as the function called stack is made. So thank you for watching this video. Let's just meet in our next video. Till then, bye.